Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, ABE, a bit of everything. So I'm going to teach you how to make a paper swan, and this is how you make it. What you guys would need is a square piece of paper, and now I want you to fold it in half into a triangle. And so now when you finish that, open it up. Now fold it half like this. And then do it with the other side. So now what you want to do after you've done that, flip it around, and now you have this halfway line. Bring this corner, and do the same thing which side you did with the other. And then do it with this side. So once you do that, you have to flip it the other way, and now fold it in half. And what you want to do now is bring the paper upwards, folding it like this. So now your paper should look like this. And what you want to do now here is just to make the head, and it's just by folding this tip like this. And now you've made your own swan. It's complete. I hope I taught you how to make your own paper swan. But before I conclude, I've got a question for you. Why do swans watch the news? You're right, to see the weather forecast. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you later.